today we're talking about curly hair, and I'm going to show you a technique called plopping. What's up, y'all, and welcome to The Real Ray with me, Ray. In case you're new here, I am a professional hairdresser, cosmetologist, beautician, whatever you want to call me, that's me. I have basically dried conditioner mask stuff in my hair. It is the Bumble curly mask, and I slept in it because your girl's lazy and I knew I was gonna film this today. So I'm gonna rinse it out, and also that is why I'm coming at you with very minimal makeup, so forgive me. This just seemed better than me, you know, rinsing and then coming up with mascara everywhere. So yeah, let's get started. So if you missed last week's video, go and check that out because it is a whole bunch of helpful tips and tricks for you curly ladies. And I have an episode of Home Hair Academy talking about how to define your curl and figure out what your curl type and sub-classification is. Put a link up on one of these sides, wherever it goes. So you will notice when I get done that I'm going to towel dry my hair with a t-shirt instead of a towel, which I talk more about in one of those videos. Okay, we are good and rinsed, and if y'all saw, I was using the t-shirt to just kind of like scrunch up and get the extra water out of my hair. Now we're gonna apply some products because you know I love some products. I'm gonna use the Tonic as a primer first because it's hydrating. You'll notice I'm not brushing my hair because you don't do that curly or wavy hair when it is, well, just when you're done from the shower. If you're gonna brush it, it needs to be in the shower or the bathtub. See last week's video. Then I'm gonna use this Sebastian Potion. I can't say words today. Number 9, it's got a little bit of hold to it, or at least I feel like it does. And it smells good. What kind of products do y'all like to use on your curly, wavy, coily hair? Comment below. And I feel like, y'all know this already, but the more product, the better. If I tell you to like use a product sparingly, it means it's serious. All right, then I'm also gonna like flip my head upside down. I don't know if y'all can see this, and kind of do it from that direction too. All right, and then I think I've used this like every one of my tutorials, but Loma Nourishing Oil. And if you've missed it, or this is the first time you've watched one of my videos, it can go on your hair. Wet, dry, in between, it can go on your skin. It's easy peasy oil. Okay, so this technique is a non-blow dry, AKA air dry technique. So yeah, like a set it and go kind of thing. So let's get to it. Okay, once you have them all like twisted like this, kind of look like an episode of character from Star Wars. No, you don't think so? I think so.
You look like Professor Quirrell.
Yeah, that's probably better. Professor Coil. All right, so can y'all see that?
Yes.
And then I like the long sleeve because then it gives you enough room to like wrap it back around. You can also do this with a short sleeve t-shirt, just whatever works. Want it to be like cotton so it'll absorb some water. Can I do this in a bow? I'm super stylish, y'all. So that is how you do the plop technique, and I'm just gonna let it air dry for a while and I'll get back with y'all. Probably gonna do a little manicure and probably gonna put some more makeup on so it looks like I have eyelashes. And I will see your beautiful faces here in just a bit. Okay, I'm back with a little bit of makeup on and a fresh manicure. It's been, I don't know, like 3 hours or something, so my hair is not completely dry, which is totally fine. Yeah, so let's unveil the hair. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna like re-scrunch up, get whatever leftover moisture, and a dramatic flip. So she looks pretty good. She's probably like, I don't know, 60% dry now, and I'll let it just finish air drying all natural. But this helps to get it ahead of gravity so that gravity's not like pulling all of my natural wave out. So let me know in the comments below if you've tried this plop technique and how it worked for you, or your preferred way of air drying your wavy, curly, coily hair. If you haven't already, make sure and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you're liking my videos and help a girl grow her channel. Gidget's very serious in the background. All right, y'all, that's it this week. Stay tuned for more curly hair tips coming up. Go out, be beautiful, have an amazing day. It's TheReelRae. Bye.